If you have a stock exhaust system, you may have to remove the entire system in order to have more room for the installation. Otherwise, simply loosen an exhaust clamp. You should have enough room for the pipe. Using a 13mm socket extension and an impact gun, loosen the left side of the crossover pipe nuts. Next, loosen the left side exhaust bracket bolt. Loosen the crossover pipe to downpipe nuts next. Finally, remove the crossover bracket nuts. With a loosened exhaust clamp, you should be able to shimmy out the stock crossover pipe. Install the crossover pipe, ensuring that the right side where the downpipe is goes in first. Loosely tighten down the crossover to downpipe nut. Repeat with the crossover bracket nuts. With the loosened exhaust clamp, you should be able to shimmy your aftermarket exhaust onto the crossover pipe. If you have a stock exhaust, you may have more steps to do. Insert new hardware and loosely hand tighten. With a 13mm socket and an impact, tighten down the crossover nuts that goes to the downpipes. Next, tighten down the crossover bracket nuts. Finally, tighten down the provided hardware from the crossover pipe to your exhaust. Lastly, tighten down your exhaust bracket bolt.